Whoa! What are you guys doing in my car? Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It's me, Shaker, with Shaker's Conglomerate. And today, we're going to install a new shift boot in my 2013 Nissan Sentra that I got from Stitchboots. Anyway, check him out. I found him on Instagram. Real cool dude. Or gal, I really don't know, to be honest. And makes things for your car. I like things for my car. You want to see what I got? I ordered a mystery boot, so I didn't know what it was when I was getting it. It was on a sale. I was like, I could use a new shift boot. I don't need to know what it is. I like lots of colors. So, here it is. We got a space boot, which is damn awesome because I love space and things that go out into space. So this is going to go on there just like that. Bam, done. We can shift around and drive. Haha, I'm just joking. Let's close that back up. So that's my Stitchboots boot there. It's just a little stretchy bit on the bottom. And this just goes down over that, I guess. So let's pull off our shifter. And you just pull these off. Just like that. All these people on YouTube, they're getting their legs over there and they're reefing, they can't do it. You just gotta know how to pull right. So that's off. And then we need to pop this up because we need to get this leather boot out of there. We're probably still going to use it, but we need the frame. So just pop that up like so, feed this up through here, and bam, we got the old shift boot out. So on the old shift boot, it's got a stretchy piece here, which I kind of like. And maybe that's something he'll add into his boots later on, or she. Like I said, don't know the gender, sorry about that. Anyways, let's go with Stitchboots. Maybe we'll add something like that later on to make it a little easier for things like your reverse collar, depending if that's what you have. Because I don't think there's a way to take that reverse collar off of there easily. Goes all the way down into there. Pretty neat little shifter, just a plastic thing, eh? Interesting. And it feels like it's whole one piece. Okay, so what we're going to do is make sure this is lined up the way we want it to go in. This has a metal bar in it, but it's sewn in, so I'm going to keep that metal bar in there. And we're just going to take this, we're going to feed it right over top of the old shift boot. Like so. Basically just a little cover up. That on there like so. Stretch that one down there, and then we can play with it a bit to get our corners to line up. I think that looks pretty good like that. Don't you guys? Do you guys like that like that? Let me know in the comments. Or if you think I should have done it a different way. And then, you see there, you got it all just around that bar on the bottom. No big deal. Nice and easy with that stretch. We want to make sure it's nice and smooth and laid out as best as possible. Alright, so we want to feed it back in here now. Now what we're going to want to do is make sure we feed this part back down over that collar. And we'll feed the boot all the way down and over. We'll make sure it's all stretched out there nicely. Now see, I can't get this boot down over the collar on for the reverse, so I'm going to have to leave it just up a little bit. I'm going to show you here a little closer though. Okay, so as you're putting it in, you got clips on the Sentra inside the boot that metal ring on the original one holds onto. So we'll just take this one in, we'll slide that up, make sure it fits around all the pieces. There's clips on each side, so you're going to want to make sure you're on each one. There we go. So that's like that. Let's push it back down in. What are we catching on here? Right there. Okay, pull that down, slam that all back into place, and that's Stitchboots shift boot all done. What do you guys think? Do you guys like that? Did that turn out well? I think it looks really damn good. Like I said, the only thing I don't like is the fact that I have to leave that over my collar to use my reverse. But it works out perfect in the end. Well, everyone, I hope you really enjoyed the video. Real quick there, just on how to install a shift boot into a 2013 Nissan Sentra really easily. I think it turned out really well. I like the quality of the Stitch boot. It's the first one I've ever had. I will be ordering another one for my 240, that's for sure. It's pretty cool. I'll probably order one that I know what's coming though, because that car is purple and I want something purple to go with that. Anyways, it's been nice hanging out with you guys, and I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you sometime again. See you later, everybody. Bye-bye. I also forgot to say, please like, subscribe, and comment below. That'd be very much appreciated. Bye-bye, bye-bye.